scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Equilibrium constants are easy if you count correctly. We need to find Kp for this mixture of gases using the provided particle diagram right now. First, look at the diagram and count the particles. We have 3 N2O4 molecules and 3 NO2 molecules. Since each particle represents 1 atmosphere, both partial pressures are exactly 3. Next, write your equilibrium expression. Kp equals the pressure of the product, N2O4, divided by the pressure of the reactant, NO2 squared. Don't forget that coefficient of 2 becomes an exponent. Plug in your values. 3 divided by 3 squared is 3 over 9. This simplifies to 1/3 or 0.67. Option B is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing exponents. Trust the given pressures and check your steps carefully.